Here's a 2016 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual-zone climate control, magnetic fluid-filled rear shocks, automated parking sensors, and V6 engine. Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces. Cadillac is driving the world forward." Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.